Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need FaceTime and a supported iPhone. Once you're on the call, act immediately. Tap the screen to reveal controls, because hiding controls pauses effect choices. Next, tap Effects and select Portrait to blur or remove the background. This uses depth data from your true depth camera to separate you from the scene, so make sure lighting is even. Once done, you'll see the background soften or go dark. This is the call processing the separation in real time. Now you refine the AR mask. Select Portrait or a virtual background variant, you'll get an immediate preview. You do this because the system needs clear edges to mask accurately. If detection misses hair or shoulders, tilt your phone slightly or move to softer light, and the true depth sensor recalculates the segmentation. Make sure not to move too fast. Slow, deliberate adjustments let the algorithm build a stable mask. Once satisfied, keep the chosen effect active. Finish by confirming the look you want. Switch effects on and off to see the final result and lock it in. If you notice glitches, flicker, holes, or odd edges, toggle Portrait off and on because that forces a fresh mask calculation. If toggling fails, end the call and relaunch FaceTime. Worst case, update iOS and restart your iPhone to reset the camera stack. Make sure FaceTime has camera access in settings so the true depth sensor can function correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.